Good bite, tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen-rich vegetables you must eat. Senior health tips now, let's start. Vegetable 8. Most people overlook it. Some don't even like it. But this bright, crunchy veggie might be one of the most powerful tools your body has to fight back against aging. We're talking about red bell peppers, and yes, they're more than just a colorful topping. Inside each crisp bite is a collagen-activating powerhouse loaded with vitamin C, the very nutrient your body can't build collagen without. Here's the scary part. After 60, your collagen production nearly flatlines, and if you're low on vitamin C, but just half a cup of red bell pepper gives you over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs, fueling the enzymes that help turn protein into strong, elastic collagen. This matters more than you think. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that seniors with higher vitamin C levels had stronger grip strength, faster walking speed, and lower signs of inflammation. And that's not all. Red bell peppers also contain capsanthin, a rare antioxidant that helps defend your joints and nerves from oxidative damage, especially in high-wear areas like your knees, wrists, and ankles. But there's a catch. Cook them too long, and you destroy the vitamin C to get the real benefit. Eat them raw. Toss them in a salad, dip them in hummus, or add them at the very end of a stir-fry. This one ingredient doesn't just spice up your meals. It helps your body fight nerve pain, preserve joint health, and slow the collagen breakdown, stealing your strength. Vegetable 7. Spinach. It looks harmless, soft, leafy, and often pushed to the side of the plate. But don't be fooled. Spinach is a silent defender of your joints, nerves, and circulation. Why is spinach so powerful? It's not just one nutrient, it's the way multiple compounds work together to stop your collagen from breaking down. First, it's packed with vitamin A, specifically in the form of beta-carotene. This helps control the genes that tell your cells to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin A, your body's collagen-making factories, called fibroblasts, start to shut down. But here's what really makes spinach essential for seniors. Its high levels of lutein and chlorophyll. These act like internal cleaners, helping to flush toxins from tissues and lower chronic inflammation, one of the biggest reasons collagen breaks apart with age. As inflammation builds up in your joints and nerves, it doesn't just cause stiffness. It creates that burning, pinching, or numbness you feel in your fingers, legs, and back. Spinach helps calm that storm. And then there's magnesium. Over 60% of older adults don't get enough, yet this one mineral is critical for muscle function, nerve communication, and even the enzymes that help build collagen. Without it, your hands may tingle, your muscles may cramp, and your joints may starve from lack of blood flow. A 2018 study in Biological Trace Element Research found that seniors with more magnesium in their diets had stronger connective tissue and were far less likely to suffer from nerve compression conditions like sciatica and carpal tunnel. But spinach isn't done yet. It also contains natural nitrates, which help widen blood vessels and improve oxygen delivery to your hardest-to-reach tissues, like your knees, fingers, and toes. That means less stiffness, faster healing, and reduced pins and needles when you walk, rest, or type. So, if your knees throb when you climb stairs or your hands go numb holding a phone, spinach isn't optional, it's essential. Not just a salad green, but a full body repair tool your aging body should be getting daily. Vegetable 6. Okra. The slimy green most people avoid, but your joints are begging for it. Yes, that slimy, slippery green pod most people push aside might just be a collagen-saving miracle, especially if you're over 60. Here's why. Okra is rich in mucilage, a natural gel-like fiber that doesn't just support digestion but also acts as a cushion for your joints. Think of it like plant-based joint lubricant. As collagen levels drop with age, your joints dry out, become brittle, and painful. But mucilage coats those joints, reducing grinding and easing inflammation. Okra is also packed with pectin, polyphenols, and rare compounds like rhamnogalacturonin, all of which help stimulate your body's collagen production while fighting off the oxidative stress that destroys cartilage from the inside out. In fact, A 2021 study in pharmaceutical biology showed that okra extract didn't just reduce joint inflammation. It boosted collagen density and even helped regenerate damaged cartilage in animal models. And that's crucial because when seniors complain of aching knees or tingling hands, it's not just muscle loss, it's the slow collapse of the collagen structure inside joints and nerve linings. Okra helps rebuild that framework. But that's not all. Okra also delivers a potent trio. Vitamin K directs calcium into bones, not your joints. Vitamin C activates the enzymes that build fresh collagen fibers. Manganese helps form proline, a critical building block of collagen. Without all three working together, your body can't rebuild collagen, no matter how much protein you eat. And for those battling burning, tingling, or numbness in the hands, feet, or legs, okra contains quercetin and flavonoids, which act as nerve protectors. These symptoms often stem not just from nerve damage but from decaying connective tissue. Okra helps slow that process down. So, if you wake up stiff, if your knees hurt when standing, if your fingers feel numb at night, okra isn't just a food, it's a natural repair kit for your joints, your collagen, and your nerves. Vegetable 5. Broccoli. Your knees crack, your ankles feel stiff, your grip isn't what it used to be, and one humble vegetable could be the key to stopping it in its tracks. Yes, that everyday green tree on your plate is actually a tendon-restoring, nerve-soothing, joint-repairing powerhouse, especially after 60, when the collagen holding your muscles and joints together starts to weaken and tear. What makes broccoli so potent? One word: sulforaphane. This rare compound found in cruciferous vegetables activates your body's natural detox and repair genes, helping rebuild what time is breaking down. According to a 2020 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, sulforaphane was shown to protect fibroblasts, the very cells responsible for making collagen, while also reducing inflammation and speeding up cartilage healing. But that's just the beginning. Broccoli is also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, a team of nutrients that help your body build new collagen fibers, protect old ones from being destroyed by arthritis, poor circulation, or oxidative stress, support bone strength and nerve health. For seniors dealing with tingling hands, burning feet, or muscle weakness, broccoli's antioxidants help calm the damage surrounding the nerves, especially in areas like the hands and legs, improving communication between your brain and your body. And if you're watching your blood sugar, good, because broccoli's high fiber content helps keep glucose levels stable. That's important, since high blood sugar speeds up collagen glycation, making your tissues stiff, brittle, and prone to injury. If you're still watching and you've ever had broccoli on your plate, drop a quick comment below that says, "Broccoli." We'd love to know who's been fueling their joints the smart way. Vegetable 4. Beets. If your legs feel heavy, numb, or cold, this blood-red vegetable could be the lifeline your body's begging for. Your legs feel like lead when you walk, or you get tingling, cold feet for no reason. It's probably not your muscles failing, it's your circulation collapsing and your collagen crying for help. The fix? It's hiding in plain sight: beets. Most people ignore them, but beets are one of the most powerful vegetables for restoring blood flow and rebuilding collagen, two critical systems that quietly fall apart after age 60. Here's the problem: poor circulation starves your body's ability to repair itself. Without oxygen and nutrients, your collagen-producing cells slow down, leading to weaker joints, slower healing, and nerve signals that misfire. But beets flip the switch. They're packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that opens up blood vessels, floods tissues with oxygen, and revives nutrient flow to your joints, nerves, and muscles. A 2019 study published in Nutrients found that older adults who drank beet juice daily experienced 21% more blood flow in the legs, better walking endurance, stronger quadriceps activation. And here's the critical collagen connection. When blood flow improves, your body finally gets the vitamin C, amino acids, copper, and zinc it needs to rebuild collagen. Without proper circulation, none of those building blocks can reach the tissues that need them. Beets also contain betalain, the deep red pigment that acts as a powerful antioxidant. It fights back against oxidative stress, the internal rust that destroys collagen and speeds up tendon damage, cartilage erosion, and nerve degeneration. Still not convinced? Beets also pack a punch of folate, a B vitamin that supports cell repair, tissue growth, and collagen maintenance. Low folate can lead to higher levels of homocysteine, a toxic compound that hardens blood vessels and breaks down collagen from the inside out. That's why beets are especially crucial for seniors with cold, numb toes, weak calf muscles, joint pain that won't heal. To unlock the full benefit, eat your beets roasted or steamed, not boiled. Boiling drains nutrients into the water. You can also juice them, just no added sugar, or shred raw beets into salads. Pairing them with citrus boosts nitrate absorption for even faster nitric oxide release. If your legs feel like they've aged a decade overnight, beets might be your comeback weapon. They don't just improve blood flow, they restore the collagen highways that keep you moving, feeling, and healing. Vegetable 3. Seaweed. It looks weird, it's slippery, and most people over 60 would never think to eat it. But this strange green from the ocean may be exactly what your aching joints, stiff tendons, and burning nerves have been silently begging for. While it might seem like an unlikely hero, seaweed is loaded with collagen-activating minerals and compounds that most seniors are severely lacking. If your knees feel stiff, your fingers tingle, or your calves cramp at night, this forgotten sea vegetable could change everything. What sets seaweed apart isn't just its nutrients, it's how those nutrients work. It's rich in iodine, alginate, and a powerful sugar compound called fucoidan, all of which stimulate fibroblasts, the exact cells your body uses to create collagen and rebuild damaged tissue. And here's what most people miss. Collagen production doesn't just depend on protein or vitamin C. Your body also needs trace minerals like copper, zinc, and manganese. Minerals that seaweed delivers in highly absorbable forms. Without them, your joints stay stiff, your tendons dry out, and your nerves remain irritated and exposed. Multiple studies, including those published in Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules, have shown that fucoidan boosts collagen creation, reduces inflammation, and improves tissue resilience, especially in aging bodies. But seaweed's power doesn't stop there. It also contains anti-inflammatory omega-3s, rare plant sterols, and natural iodine, which supports your thyroid, the organ that controls how fast your body repairs itself. Seniors with low thyroid function often feel cold, tired, slow to heal, and experience numbness in their hands and feet. All signs of collagen breakdown and poor tissue turnover. Even your skin elasticity reflects this internal collapse, and guess what? Seaweed helps there too. In one 2021 clinical study, seniors who took seaweed extract for just 4 weeks had less joint pain and faster tendon recovery without changing anything else. This isn't just a digestive aid or a sushi garnish, it's a deep tissue restorer. To safely add seaweed to your routine, go for low-sodium, oil-free nori sheets or unsweetened seaweed snacks. Sprinkle them over salads, crumble into soup, or blend into smoothies. You won't even taste them, but your joints, nerves, and skin will thank you. This odd little sea plant might be the most healing food you've never tried. Vegetable 2. Asparagus. Yes, the same vegetable you've seen on fancy dinner plates might actually be your body's emergency collagen rescue kit. After 60, your connective tissue begins to fray, joints loosen, skin sags, and muscles lose their grip. But asparagus delivers what your cells desperately need to fight back. At the core of its power is glutathione, a master antioxidant that directly protects and repairs collagen fibers. Glutathione doesn't just fight free radicals, it shields your joints, skin, and nerves from breakdown. Low glutathione levels have been tied to chronic inflammation, slow healing, and accelerated tissue aging. A 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity confirmed that seniors with higher glutathione levels had stronger bones, better collagen density, and fewer signs of joint degeneration. But asparagus does more than just defend, it rebuilds. It's rich in vitamin K, a critical nutrient that guides calcium into your bones and away from soft tissue, nerves, and cartilage. Why does that matter? Because after 60, calcium often starts to misfire, accumulating in joints and vessels where it doesn't belong. That leads to stiffness, reduced mobility, and nerve compression. Vitamin K helps reroute it back into the skeleton, preserving the collagen-rich areas that keep you moving. Still not convinced? Asparagus also delivers a boost of folate, a B vitamin vital for DNA repair and tissue renewal, key steps in forming healthy new collagen. Without enough folate, healing slows, skin thins, and muscles take longer to recover from damage. And don't overlook its prebiotic fiber. A well-fed gut microbiome helps your body absorb and activate collagen-supporting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. In short, asparagus helps your body make better use of everything else you eat to repair and regenerate. This isn't just another vegetable, it's a collagen regeneration catalyst, silently working to patch the structural gaps age is tearing open. Vegetable 1. Parsley. Most people see it as a plate decoration, but what if we told you that parsley, that tiny green sprig, might be the most powerful joint, skin, and nerve healer sitting in your kitchen? What makes parsley such a secret weapon? It's packed, gram for gram, with more vitamin C and vitamin K than nearly any vegetable on Earth. Just one handful of fresh parsley contains more vitamin C than an orange, and that's not a fun fact, that's a game changer. Vitamin C isn't optional in collagen repair, it's the core ingredient. Without it, your body can't rebuild collagen, no matter how much protein or collagen powder you take. After 60, your collagen production slows dramatically. Repair falls behind breakdown. But with the right fuel, like the dense nutrients in parsley, you can tip the balance back in your favor. A 2022 study published in Nutrients confirmed that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had stronger tendons, more joint flexibility, thicker collagen layers, especially in the knees and hands. But parsley isn't done yet. It also contains apigenin, a powerful plant flavonoid that calms inflammation right where collagen is made, inside your fibroblasts. That means parsley helps your body hold on to the collagen it builds instead of losing it to chronic inflammation or wear and tear. This is huge for seniors dealing with arthritis, nerve pain, or lingering inflammation. Apigenin helps slow the tissue destruction that strips away your mobility and strength. And it gets even better. Parsley also boosts glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. That means it helps detox your tissues and protect your skin, cartilage, and ligaments from the hidden toxins and free radicals that weaken your collagen network. Thanks to its high chlorophyll content, parsley even supports oxygen delivery, speeding up muscle and joint recovery after use. And the best part? It's effortless to use. Just toss a few tablespoons into salads, soups, eggs, smoothies, or sprinkle over roasted veggies. You don't need to eat a bowl of it, just a small handful daily can make a big difference. So, if your fingers tingle, your joints creak, or your legs feel older than the rest of you, don't dismiss this herb. Parsley isn't garnish, it's medicine, and it could be the most powerful collagen-repairing food you've never taken seriously. Tingling limbs, aching joints, weak legs, these aren't just random annoyances. They're warning signs that your collagen is slipping away. In fact, by the time these symptoms show up, you may have already lost 30 to 40% of your natural collagen. But now you know the truth. You don't need expensive powders, painful injections, or miracle creams. What you need is real food, eaten consistently in smart ways, starting with these 8 science-backed vegetables. From parsley and seaweed to okra, broccoli, and spinach, these foods work together to rebuild collagen, strengthen your joints, soothe nerve pain, and bring energy back to your legs, hands, and life. Start tomorrow, one veggie at a time. Now it's your turn. What are you dealing with more, tingling hands or weak legs? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every single one. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Senior Health Tips. Today we post weekly tips to keep you strong, steady, and thriving after 60.